Welcome to this demonstration of the README file generator. Are you tired of spending countless hours creating a README file for your projects? This README generator is here to help. With just a few simple questions, you can generate a professional looking README file that includes all the necessary information about your project. This tool is especially useful for developers who want to showcase their projects on their portfolio or GitHub repo. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of using this generator step by step. So let's get started. Now this generator is written in JavaScript and Node.js. Let's start by taking a look at the code for the JavaScript file used in a generator. The JavaScript code is divided into two JavaScript files. The first JS file is called index.js, and it prompts the user with questions to gather information about the project. And the second JavaScript file, called generate markdown.js, uses the user input information to generate the README file. And the questions are defined in an array of objects, with each object representing a question type, name, and message. The editor type prompts allows you to input larger text responses that require more than one line. By using this type, you can open a text editor in the terminal where you can type or paste your text responses. The list type prompts displays a list of options to the user, and the user can select one option from the list. Now this section of the code checks whether the user entered a title or not, and if the user enters a title, the title will be displayed in the markdown file. Now if the user does not enter a text, this section will not be included in a generator README file. Now to run the generator, open your terminal and navigate to the directory where the generator files are located. Then run the command node index.js. You can also type node index and it will still work. This will start the generator and prompt you with a series of questions about your project, such as the project title, description, installation instructions, usage instructions, and so on. And I will talk more about the content of the README in a minute. As you answer each question, the generator will store your responses in an object. Once you've answered all the questions, the generator will use that object to dynamically generate the README file. The generated file will include all the information you provided, formatted as a nicely styled markdown file. Let's have a look at an example of the generated README file. As you can see, it includes the README's title, a table of contents that links to each section of the README file, a description of the project as entered by the user, installation instructions, usage instructions, contribution guidelines, instructions for testing the project, portfolio and contact information, and the license under which the project is released. And that's it. With this README generator, you can quickly and easily create professional looking README files for your GitHub projects. So thank you for watching and enjoy.